All new at 6, Florida is consistently ranked among the leaders in human trafficking cases, but a new state law could make some offenders eligible for the death penalty.
That law took effect yesterday. CBS News Miami Steve Magiri spoke to a survivor of human trafficking who says this law doesn't go far enough.
Sienna Martinez says she was just 14 when someone started grooming her for sex trafficking.
We met up at my middle school, and that's where he picked me up. And then he took me to his house.
Court records show that man was later sentenced to 10 years in federal prison.
And I think maybe he should have gotten more.
A new state law took effect Wednesday that puts life in prison and the death penalty on the table for those convicted of sex trafficking if the victim is under 12 years old.
For, future criminals who want to commit this act, I think it's a good deterrent for them.
According to the Florida Alliance to End Human Trafficking, Florida ranks third in the nation in reported human trafficking cases. And a report by the State Department of Children and Families found that in 2023, over 1,600 of the nearly 2,100 reporting human trafficking cases that year involved children.
Florida is the first state to make it now a death penalty charge.
Defense attorney Alex Saiz says this law will likely get challenged in court, since he says the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that the death penalty shouldn't be imposed for a crime where the victim didn't die.
Once we expand the death penalty to non-death cases, I think we have an issue of where does the line stop? It's child sex trafficking. Would it be all kinds of trafficking?
Martinez says she'd prefer that the age limit be higher for the death penalty to apply.
I think that they should raise it up to at least 14 or 15. Just because I know that 14 and 13-year-olds are still in middle school.
According to the Death Penalty Information Center, there are 2 other offenses in Florida that don't involve killing that are eligible for the death penalty. On top of all of this, Florida has already executed a record 13 people this year. In Allapattah, Steve Magiri, CBS News, Miami.